into a Hello World program, which is often the first program you'll make when learning a new programming language. A Hello World program doesn't do anything except say Hello World to the user. Because it's such a simple program, it's a good place to start.
Turning a class into a Hello World program is easy. We just need to add this line of code inside our main method.
When you add this code, make sure you capitalize the S in system. Also make sure you use parentheses and not curly braces or square braces. The text Hello World can actually be most any text you'd like, but make sure to surround it with double quotes. Finally, don't forget to add a semicolon at the end.
That's all it takes to make a program. You can test it out using the Control F11 shortcuts, or you can press the green button with the white triangle. It should print the text Hello World now. If anything goes wrong, double check your code and make sure it looks similar to this.
Now let's take a look at why this extra line of code does what it does. The system part means you're talking to the computer itself. The out part means the computer is outputting something for the user as opposed to getting input.
Lastly, print blonde is a method that prints the text we typed and then goes to the next line. Just like any other method, you need to put parentheses after the name. Inside these parentheses, we put the text we want to print. If you don't want to go to the next line, you can just type print instead of print line.
By making small changes, you can print other things too. One way is to just put a second copy of this line right below the first, changing the text to be printed. Another way is to add more text using the plus sign.
That's right! For example, Hello World acts the same as Hello plus World. To print the text ABC, you could do system.out.print ABC, but you can also write it as system.out.print A plus B plus C. The thing you have to remember is that you need to surround any text with double quotes.
That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye, Supercoders!